Today we are going to create an animated website under 10 minutes, using the free AI tools like Whisk, Claude, GitHub, and Vercel. So, let's start. First, we need to open Whisk and set the orientation we want for the pictures. Turn this precise option on to get perfect results each time. There is nothing much on the prompt. I will use very simple prompt. This will be our base image. Copy and paste the same prompt. Generate the images as long as you are satisfied. I am speeding this up. After finalizing our image, we will select Animate and input the prompt for desired animations. In free Whisk version, you will get 7 free generations, which is enough for now. It gives us this animation right here. We will generate a few more till our satisfaction. We have downloaded our final animation, and here is how it looks. Now we will need frames of this video as sequences to make the website animation. You can use any online MP4 to JPG converter for the results. Download the .zip file once you're done. Now open Claude and upload the .zip file and wait for it to get fully uploaded. Once done, you can copy and paste the exact prompt to get the result. You can obviously tweak it as per your desire. Hit Enter, and we will get the glimpse of our website in just few seconds. And our website here is ready. Now we just need to improve and tweak it as per our need. After we are done, we will download the HTML file and check the website. This looks good to me. Now you need a GitHub account. Create one first, then just follow the video instructions and create a new repository. After creating the repository, look for the Quick Setup section. Click on the Uploading an Existing File, and then select the .html file of your website you have generated previously. Before uploading, rename it to index.html. Don't skip this. It is a necessary step. After it's done uploading, hit the Commit Changes button. We have successfully made our website's repository. Now to make our site truly live, we will use Vercel. Click on Add New Project section, and it will automatically show the available repository. Quick info. Just connect Vercel to Git as you sign in to your Google account. Now all you need to do is import and hit deploy. And within a few more seconds, congratulations, your website is perfectly live now. And yes, it's perfectly working. If you have liked the video, please like and share the video. Also subscribe the channel to get more videos like this. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one. Peace.